Plastic comes in all shapes and sizes. There is soft and flexible plastic, as well as very hard plastic that is nearly as strong as metal. So these various properties can be obtained by modifying the production process. So in this industry about the plastic production, they constantly looking for new types of plastic and its applications. There are thousands of patent plastic and all differ from one another. So I will give you an example about a polymer that used in this industry about the plastic production. First, polyethylene, polystyrene, polypropylene, polyvinyl chloride.
A major environmental issue with the plastic is their ultimate fate after disposal. Due to the low density, they often end up floating in the bodies of water. Okay, not only it makes unsightly, but it can be harmful to the aquatic life as well. In our ocean, there are many items that does not belong of them. There are huge amount of the consumer plastic that discovers in the marine environmental every day that makes the marine environment is one of them the widespread pollution to the ocean and waterways in the world.
There are various issues that we can relate between plastics and its threat to marine life. Yet, we easily forget that plastic also could affect our health. Plastic and human are very close to each other because we always use plastic in our daily life. The emissions of plastics include heavy metals, POPs, carcinogens, EDCs, and microplastic. A human is exposed to these toxic chemicals through inhalations, ingestions, and skin contact that can affect our health, such as renal cardiovascular, gastrointestinal, neurological, reproductive and respiratory system, as well as could cause cancer and diabetes.
Single-use plastic have created a throwaway culture by normalizing behavior using materials once and then throwing them away. In an effort to reduce waste, we will reuse items instead of buying new ones. For example, old tires can be used in the garden for flower pots. For every item that can be refused, reduced, or reused, try repurposing it. Repurposing can be a cost-effective strategy. The reused items can prevent a business from having to purchase new, possibly more expensive material. Like an example such as electronic, which is all computers and laptops, can be refurbished and donated to school.
The next step is recycle. Plastic recycling is the processing of turning plastic waste into new and useful products. Recycling can reduce creating new plastic as well as greenhouse emission. Common plastic that can be recycled are made up from polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene, and polypropylene. For example, plastic bottle cap can make storage container, ropes, as well as car batteries. Lastly is reinvent. Reinvent is when we change something to be entirely new. Reinventing plastic with different kind of biopolymers such as polyhydroxyalkanoids is important to make sure it can be biodegraded quickly and can be recycled so that we can extend their usefulness and reduce plastic pollution. Say no to plastic, a step forward for better tomorrow.